Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Talha Tanmoy and today we are going to see how we can duplicate a page in WordPress. So let's get started. To do that, from our admin dashboard, we are going to add a plugin. The name of the plugin is Post Duplicator. Here is the plugin. We are going to choose it. Click on install and this plugin is installed. We are going to activate it. Okay, this plugin has been activated, so um, our work is done. So go to any of the pages, and if we hover over any of the page, we can see uh, an option duplicate page. And now if we want to duplicate this contact us page, just click on the duplicate page and boom, this page is duplicated. And if you see the output, this is the copy page and this is the main page. See, the same page has been duplicated. In this way we can duplicate pages in WordPress.